Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now let's tap on the language, and as you can see this is the list of all currently set languages. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of the languages which are suggested by Samsung, as you can see. But if you cannot find the language you want to set here, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and pick all languages, and I'm pretty sure that you will find it. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the language and tap on it. And sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let me tap on it, and your device will ask you if you want to set the language as a default. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the Portuguese language has been applied to the very first part, to the very first section of the list, and thanks to this, it has been applied as a default. So the whole system is in the Portuguese language. So if you want to change the language, because you've got two different languages added, just tap on the other one and tap on apply. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit, mark the language and tap on remove. Confirm it, and as you can see we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.